This is Rise Show TV. We're going to tell you what to see for our unwrapped video. Corporate market we're going to talk about today. What do you think people, visitors to the show, need to kind of pick on that front?
There's a lot. The sector's obviously been booming, and I think a really good place to start is AV over IP. It's really taken off in adoption over the last few years, and there's both AMX and ZV that are out with some really new products that are kind of throwing their hat in the ring, making sure that there's a few advancements that people can see, and bringing their own flavor to the AV over IP solution that people need.
Sure. I mean, meeting room audio is another area I'm seeing a huge growth in. It's worth maybe going to see Zilliqa, maybe a small company you might not have heard of, but they're doing some really interesting things. Sennheiser you will have heard of, but again, also doing some interesting things in that sphere. I think everyone's looking to improve meeting room audio, which is a great thing for the industry as a whole. It might be just a bit of a minefield to kind of plough your way through the sheer number of devices at the moment.
Definitely, and there seem to be two very distinct routes to go down when it comes to meeting room audio. There's the bespoke, customized, integrated approach that some people are taking, and then there's the ecosystem approach that other manufacturers are taking. Both work extremely well. Shure is someone that you should definitely drop by. They've got a very developed, very mature platform that kind of works out of the box.
I spoke to one end user today who was kind of expressing concern really that he thought too many manufacturers were branching out into, we've seen a huge amount of video soundbars this time. Companies that were maybe specialists in audio are now looking at video products, or vice versa. Does that maybe water down their specialism somewhat? I mean, it is an interesting point. I mean, I can see why companies are moving into those kind of video soundbar areas, because a product that can do both is probably really attractive to end users and system integrators alike. But is that maybe damaging what they do or watering down what they do?
There's a lot of appetite for solutions that just work, that can get meeting rooms up and running almost instantly. To kind of add on to that, I've been having conversations with integrators about the amount of processing that needs to be inside these meeting spaces. And obviously it differs based on the meeting space and the application and what's going to be used for, but we saw the PowerSoft Unica today, and that brings with it some processing as part of the package. And I think that's maybe an indicator of where we're going to see DSPs kind of head to. You're going to get way more differentiation, way more options with regards to how much processing you can put in, which is going to make better meeting rooms that are fit for purpose for customers.
Fantastic. Great to see you as always, and join us for the next wrap video soon.